Hi, this is David Forster with Basecamp Trading, and I'm looking at Amazon since it reported earnings, and it was above the 200 day before it reported earnings. Then we had this gap down, and a lot of times you can watch the high and low of the day for the first day after earnings and get a sense for whether or not you might get continuation or not. And so we did get a little bit of continuation, meaning we did take out the low the first day after earnings, but we haven't really stayed there. And we got a bullish engulfing candle today, which is a potential reversal candle. So, what I'm interested to see with Amazon is can we move back up and follow through from today's bullish engulfing candle. One thing that I'm not super thrilled with is that we did put in a lower low compared to where that initial low was right after earnings. But I think closes are important. So the reason why we formed a bullish engulfing candle, if you're not familiar with the concept, is that this first candle's bearish, and then the second candle is bullish, and the body of the candle for the second candle here is what matters. You want to see this bullish candle wrap itself around the body of the previous one. This one's kind of a doji, so it's not hard to have an engulfing candle when you're trying to engulf a doji, but the doji is a little bit of a clue as well, giving us a sense that buyers and sellers went into balance, right around where that low was. So you don't necessarily have to have follow through right away from any type of engulfing candle, bullish or bearish, but it gives us a clue that, at least for now, the bulls are trying to take back some of this move. So I would look to see if we could potentially get above today's high in the future. So that is 201.74. See if we can get above 201.74. Another thing to note as well is that I'm just checking where the closes are. The previous closes haven't been too far away from the round number of 200. So we might just be trying to hold around the $200 level as well, besides the bullish engulfing candle that formed today. All right. So there's a potential setup. Look to see if Amazon can follow through on the bullish engulfing candle and take out today's high 201.74. And one thing to check out as well, we're doing a trial. If you go to bctnow.com/join, you can take a 30-day trial for $7. All right. So hopefully this is helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right.